Hey there! In this video, I will show you how to send money from Wise to Payoneer. First of all, log in to Wise. Go to Home on the website or on the app and choose Send. Select where you want to send from. You can fund your transfer from either an account outside Wise or use available money on your Wise balance. Choose your transfer type. Type in how much you would like to transfer. You can start with the amount you would like to send or how much you would like your recipient to get. Tell us who you're sending money to. If you have their bank details, add them in and we will send money to that account. Make sure everything looks right. You can add a reference for your recipient if you like. Now choose how to pay. There are multiple ways you can pay for your transfer. We will let you know the fees for each option and how long it should take for the money to arrive. It's often cheapest to pay from your bank account. This means you will have to go to your online banking or your branch and send the money to Wise from there. That's it. After they have received your money, they will confirm the transfer via email or in the app. And Wise will also let you know and your recipient know when the money is on its way. That's how you can send money from Wise to Payoneer. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.